We support all the Baskin lab courses, right? And I'm in a lab right now, and I don't know if you can see behind me. This would typically be sort of an equipment setup. You have all these test and measurement equipment, right? And you would come into the lab and you would use that benchtop equipment. It's all rather expensive. Most of them are over $1,000 and some are, several thousands of dollars. And you can see there's 4 or 5. And if you look down the line, each station has more or less got the same thing going on, right? And so we've got to do something now where we try and duplicate that, but we can't we don't have enough equipment to send to everybody. And it's expensive and heavy. And, there's just, many practical reasons that we can't. So what we've come up with is we send them this little guy. I don't know if you can see it. This literally will fit into your pocket. And it connects, via USB here and right to your laptop. Okay. And then on the other end is this little fly out with a bunch of wires, and that connects on there. Like so, and this will connect to your breadboard and will do all the things that you see back there. Oscilloscope, it's a function generator, it's a multimeter, it's all those things in one. And you can be at home and doing this. Now, is it quite as feature rich as all those things? No, right? Obviously not. But it's good enough for many courses. Not every course, but many courses, most courses actually, can do it. There's a lot of reasons why we buy this kind of equipment. It's not because we need all those features. Part of the reason is that this is the things that they're going to come in contact with in their research later in life when they graduate, right? Or in their jobs. They're going to have benchtop test and measurement equipment, and they're going to be expected to know how to use it, right? But these are different times, right? And we have to be flexible.